everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to use OBS virtual camera on Discord. So first, you just have to simply download OBS here. And then once you have downloaded, you can now open. You can go to the search menu, type OBS and open this one. So actually, this is what it looks like. And in order for you to use this to your Discord, of course, you have to open your Discord. You can tap start streaming or start recording if you want. But if you want to use this on your Discord, all you have to do is you have to search for a Discord. You have to open it. Okay, and then inside you have to look for settings, tap this one or this gear icon. And then after that, what you're going to do next is you have to look for voice and video. And then here you have to scroll down and go to video settings. Okay, so as you can see here, camera. So you have to make sure that your camera is working too. So after that, if you have plug in your camera or if your camera is working, then you will see your option. If you tap this arrow facing down, you will see this OBS virtual camera. So you have to click this one and wait as it is loading and processing. So you just have to go back and go again to Discord till you see that it's working. So once everything is working here, then you can now start streaming. You can now start using your Discord and it will appear on your OBS. As simple as that. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.